How to verify ID on Freelancer. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnell, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on Freelancers. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to verify your ID on Freelancer, you want to first go ahead and open up Freelancer. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account. You want to simply tap on the hamburger icon at the bottom right corner of the screen that you can see here. And now here you want to tap on the settings option there. So once you tap on settings here, now if you are doing it on the website as well, the process is similar. You want to head into settings, and then you want to head into accounts, and then you want to head into here option that says trust and verification. As you can see, under trust and verification, you'll get this score here of your verification. So you can see my email address is verified. You have to add in your phone number, and then you want to verify your Facebook, then you want to verify with LinkedIn, and then you should get an option to verify ID as well. So you want to tap on it, and you want to go ahead and authenticate credit or debit card as well, and your ID is verified. So this way you can verify ID on Freelancer. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.